Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is a 2025 Grady-White 251 Coastal Explorer. The Coastal Explorer is a great boat for inshore, but it's definitely offshore capable as well. So it's got a little shallower draft than their normal center consoles do, but it's still got decently high gunnels on it. So great boat for inshore, great boat if you want to run 20 miles offshore too. This one's powered with the 300 Yamaha, and this is a custom color that's only used. It's not real white. It's got a little bit of an off-white that is made just for Grady-White, and it really matches the gel coat on the boat. So we're going to do a quick walkthrough for you on this. Nice thing about the Coastal Explorers all through the model line is they always have lots of nice seating in them, because Grady-White makes not just a great fishing boat, but they make a great family boat too. So you've got this full width bench seat, goes all the way across the back, and as you can see, this one seat back right here swings so that you've got an easy walk through passing through there, or when your ladder's on this side, you've got an easy pass through on that side. This backrest right here is removable, so if you want to get these cushions off here, take all these off, and you just want some great fishing space on the back of it, all that's removable back there, and you've got a great fishing platform. Live well underneath the back seat in the center. As you climb out of the water on the swim ladder right back there, you've got a freshwater shower on the port side of the boat. Battery charger system's already built in on this, so you don't have to carry one around with you. I really like this about this 251, the lockable rod storage that's underneath the gunnel. So put your rod butts up in here, your reels go in here where it's nice and padded. Your rod tips go up there. Close that, lock that. You can leave your locks right here. You can lock your rods on board the night before, keep them on here if you want to, so you're not having to carry those back and forth to the boat. Got quite a few shotgun rod holders on here. You've got 4 on the back of the leaning post, and then you've got 4 on the hard top, and also notice on this hard top we've got some life jacket storage. We've got cockpit lighting, spreader lights that come down into the cockpit, as well as the lighting that just comes straight down on the T-top as well. Making our way up to the helm here. Tilt steering wheel. We've got another live well underneath this side right here, so you've got 2 live wells. Really big live well for a 25-foot boat, so you've not just got that one, but you've got the other one in the back of the boat as well. Already got your stereo on here. Now Grady-White doesn't install any fish finders or GPSs from the factory, and they do that because they want you to decide what size do you need and what brand do you want. But we're going to install whatever you want. You want a Garmin, you want Simrad, you want Raymarine, whatever you want, we can install here at MarineMax. Plenty of room up on the dash for that, and then your Yamaha gauge centered. Make our way forward, take a quick peek at the front. Cooler in the bow area, so whoever's sitting up here, because I mean, look at how comfortable this bow area is. You've got a couple of switches right here that these backrests, power backrests on here, just hit that, the backrest lays down. Again, all these cushions are removable. If you just want a huge fishing platform in the front, you've got it. And you've got more coolers underneath the front here as well. But I mean, what I was talking about it being a great family boat as well, look how comfy this is up in the bow area. Plenty of room for 2 people to sit on these recliners up here. This boat is already pre-wired for the trolling motor. You can see the trolling motor's on, mount is on there, but again, they want you to pick. What do you want? What kind of trolling motor do you want? You want the Garmin? You want a motor guide? What do you want to put on there? So we're gonna let you make that decision. This boat is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Give me a call on my cell phone if you want more information about it, 904-625-6146.